In this episode, we're going to discuss Credit Karma. Hi, I'm Bill Clanton, consumer protection attorney who handles credit reporting, debt collection, mortgage fraud, debt defense, and auto fraud matters. A lot of my clients use Credit Karma and are very happy with it. Credit Karma is a great app. It can give you a lot of information very conveniently and very easily. Best of all, it's free. So Credit Karma can give you notifications and alerts, and you can configure it to tell you if something's changed or updated. It's very useful, very convenient, and again, it's very easy. But why wouldn't you want to use Credit Karma? Well, Credit Karma pulls two of the three credit bureaus, so you're not getting a complete picture of your credit. It pulls TransUnion and Equifax. It does not pull Experian. And so you're getting an incomplete picture of your credit. It gives you the credit score is an estimated credit score, which isn't the end of the world. The only way you can get your actual credit score is by going to FICO, the Fair Isaac Company. Anything else is just an estimate. But the bigger problem with Credit Karma is that you can't dispute information that comes from Credit Karma. Credit Karma is a third party. It's not TransUnion, Equifax, or Experian. And so if you find a problem in Credit Karma, some inaccuracy on your credit, then you cannot write to TransUnion and say, Credit Karma's report is inaccurate, please fix it. You have to go to TransUnion and pull your credit report from TransUnion so you can see what TransUnion is actually disclosing about you. Credit Karma's disclosure about TransUnion's disclosure is not anything you can dispute. And the fact is that your credit report as it appears on Credit Karma is not the complete credit report that you would get from TransUnion or Equifax or Experian. It's a summary of it. It's a very good summary, very convenient summary, but it's just a summary. It's not the complete credit report. So if you want your complete credit report, you have to go to TransUnion, Equifax, or Experian. Now, they are required by law and to set up a site, and they have. It's called annualcreditreport.com, where you can pull your credit report for free every year. If you want to find out what other people are seeing when you apply for credit, when you apply for a mortgage, or when you apply for a car loan or a credit card, then that's what they're seeing. They're pulling your information from TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian directly. They're not going through Credit Karma. So when you pull your credit report from one of the big three credit reporting agencies, you'll see what other people are seeing about you. And that's the most important thing in that situation. When you're applying for credit, you want to know what other people are seeing about you. If there's some mistake on your credit report, again, you can't tell TransUnion, Equifax, or Experian that Credit Karma's report about you made a mistake. You have to go to the source. You have to go back to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian to pull that information directly from them. Then you can dispute TransUnion's reporting. Then you can dispute Experian and Equifax's reporting. But you cannot dispute what Credit Karma's reporting. As a summary of your credit information, the Credit Karma report is inherently incomplete, and you need the complete information that is provided by the credit bureaus themselves. So Credit Karma, like I said, is a great app. It's very useful, and it can alert you to problems with your credit report that you can investigate further by going to annualcreditreport.com and getting your free credit report, or going to the credit bureaus themselves and paying a fee to get your current credit report. I hope this video has been useful for you. I encourage you to use Credit Karma to keep up to date on your credit report. But if you want to know exactly what people are saying about you, or you want to dispute some information on your credit report, you need to get your actual credit report to begin that process, or to find out what other people are saying about you. If you have questions or want to discuss anything about your credit report, credit reporting, feel free to give me a call. My number is 210-226-0800. And thanks for watching this video.